you buy the HX504 twin pallet horizontal machine in June, you can get a free machine from ETG. Oh my goodness me, Steve, this is incredible.
Yeah, it's an incredible offer that we've put out there. Again, we're seeing a huge demand in inquiries and what customers are looking for, so we build a package around their needs.
Right, now you've told me if you want to get parts out the door quicker, this is the machine to consider.
It's a perfect platform, the horizontal. So we've got multi-part loading on a twin pallet machine. So customers, their main emphasis is always keeping the spindle running.
Yep.
So the beauty of the horizontal is we can put a tombstone on there, and you can have multi-part configurations loaded up. You've got the twin pallet scenario. So for the customer, that spindle will always be turning.
So what are the benefits of owning this machine?
So obviously there's the capacity of the machine itself, but it's like we touched on earlier, it is the ability to load up multi-parts within the machine itself. The customers may, if they've got an operator, or certainly at the minute, if they've not got manpower down on the shop floor, this machine will run for a longer period of time, allowing them to get the same amount of product out of the door, but with fewer people.
And the Quasar brand, you know, should people have confidence in this brand?
Yes, Quasar based on quality and service. We put a number of horizontals out in the marketplace now on large turnkey projects, but all the more recently we're getting huge demand for that single machine delivered and quick turnaround, hence stock machine.
And there's so many brilliant government schemes that are helping you out on this machine, and buy now pay in a few months' time that can be used on this.
Well, exactly. You know, the customers, it's a buyer's market at the minute. You know, so if you can go out and take advantage of those schemes and have such a machine like this for 12 months, it's a real eye opener for everybody.
Talking about taking advantage, Tom is going to tell us more about that free 3D printer that's on offer.
This really is a fantastic offer, the chance to give our customers the ability to get into 3D printing with the purchase of a machine tool. I mean, the two technologies go hand in hand anyway. Being able to print jigs and fixtures is ideal for machining.
Why is it such a great addition to a workshop?
So, not allocating any labour to the manufacture of your jigs, fixtures and tooling is a massive cost saver. The material's ideal, the software that's supplied with the printers works perfectly. It really is a solution for everyone.
It's
massive.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And talk me through the actual model.
So what we've got on offer is the Onyx One. So this prints in just Onyx. This is a nylon and carbon fibre mixed material, producing really, really high strength parts, which are chemical resistant and non-marring. So if you've got delicate parts, you're not going to damage them.
And all of this is totally free?
Totally free with the purchase of a machine tool.